Hi friends, this is Dimple Mehra here from Angels Work, and today I bring to you the daily forecast for 23rd of November 2020. The day is Monday and let's see how day will be. So here's my Rider Waite cards for you all, and let's check. For people who are doing job, and especially if they are men, they will definitely get better opportunities at work. They will also get opportunities for promotion. They will get opportunities in form of appreciation for their work from seniors, but that would not be sufficient. While others may think that whatever boss has done or the organization has done for them is beyond something that they deserved, but on personal level they will not be satisfied with it. Okay, so now let's check what women will think and what women will do on this day. All right. So, women who are struggling with the regards to their finances, and especially, women who have been, helping their husbands with regards to, managing certain household responsibilities, certain expenses, they will have to, combat a, family battle. They would have to ask them that they deserve to get their finances back. If you have mortgaged any kind of jewelry or whatever, it is very important that you remind your husband that it is your rightful money, and everything said and done, you need to receive it from them. There is a very strong possibility if you discuss with them today, they will definitely work towards it. It may land up into some kind of nasty argument also, but my suggestion to you is do not use any kind of negative language when you are reminding the man or his family with regards to whatever sacrifices you guys have made. It is better that you speak to them in a sober manner and ask them to do whatever is justice for you, and I think they should listen. Now let's see what will students do. It's a fantastic day for girls. Girls who have been looking forward for going to a foreign country, and especially with regards to admissions in a foreign country. There is a strong possibility their parent would be able to take up a loan and send them to a foreign country. So education loan is very much there on the cards. If the girl is too young, then there is a possibility that parents may have certain kind of money issues when it comes to fulfillment of their demands. However, they'll be able to fulfill all those demands. Now let's check health wise how the day is going to be. Well, health-wise also day is good. There is a possibility of little bit of money being spent on medicines, but it won't be anything major. People who are expecting pregnancy or who are wanting to get pregnant, I see opportunities of pregnancy coming up very soon. So it's a good day in case you're planning to go for an IVF or any kind of gynax treatment. Also today is a day for you. And to check the MasterCard for today, so this is a fantastic day. Despite of all the struggles, you will definitely get success. Do not be scared of making or taking any decisions. You will rise and shine in life today. If you are wanting to start anything new, today is a day. So please go ahead. It will be a great day. I wish you all the love and light. Thank you so much from Angels Work. Please do stay connected. Do like and subscribe to my channel. In case you want a personal consultation from me, then you can call me on my number 9819 773 774. Thank you so much. Have a great day.